All right, welcome back to Hottor's Chronicles, where we go on this journey called Life Together. And today we're going to experience changing our Optic battery here. It's a Holosun Optic here. But first things first, we want to make sure that everything is safe. So as you can see, there's an open chamber. As you can see, the open rack, I should say. You can see that it's open, nothing here. So you can actually see that this is a free and clear weapon. That's always first. Make sure there's no ammunition in the room or in the area, so you don't have to worry about anything, any accidents happening. But you still always treat a gun as if it's loaded, even when you know that it is unloaded. But we want to make sure that you keep it pointed in a safe direction. So what we're doing today is changing the battery of the Holosun Optic here on my Glock 19X. Now, why did I know I needed to do it? Well, the light wasn't turning on. It wasn't reacting when I was pressing the button here. So I couldn't see any red dots. So I was like, oh, there's got to be a problem, right? And, you know, every time it shakes or you move it, the Optic turns on. So you have to be mindful of that. So what do we need in order to make sure we successfully change this? One, as you can see, I got my gloves on because, hey, dealing with the gun and rounds, there's a lot of lead, and that lead can get into your skin and into your body, causing headaches and things of that nature. So, hey, I haven't had that experience, but don't want that experience, okay? So I got that from watching other YouTube channels and things of that nature. So, but what we need today, yes, gloves, a flathead screwdriver, the Optic itself, and the battery replacement. And for this particular model, we needed the CR1632. Okay, it's a battery. So you're going to take the flathead and then insert here and unscrew it right here. Okay, you need a flathead screwdriver to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Not hard to do. Once you get it there, you want to make sure you take it and set it aside. Why? Because you do not want to lose this particular small screw, all right? Once you get that screw out, you want to go ahead and remove the door. And the door here with the battery door is also attached, so it's not, so you want to be careful here. So you see, you take it out here. And you see, remember the orientation. So you see how the numbers and all of that is on the bottom and the actual, this part is exposed at the top. So this is the old one. I'm gonna go ahead and set it aside. I wanna make sure you see it here. So it's not big. You can get these batteries from anywhere, Walgreens, Walmart. I just so happen to get it from Amazon. Not hard, but as you can see, again, I get no promotion from any of these, but I just wanted you to see how easy to get. It doesn't cost much. And you just set it in the same way that you took it out. So now that I got that, I'm going to go ahead and insert it in here so that you can see it. It's there. Go ahead, put the battery back, not the battery, excuse me, the screw back in, and make sure it's properly situated and tighten it up. You know, hand tighten, obviously. We don't want to strip anything. All right, hey, just want to wrap up the video when we're changing the battery for the Holosun red dot here. You want to make sure, one, that anytime you're handling a weapon, you want to make sure it's safe and clear. So as you can see, there's nothing here in the chamber and also nothing in the magazine here. So therefore, you know it's a free and clear weapon. But just wanted to make sure you test it. You can see the red dot right here, okay? Yeah, you may not be able to see it through the camera here, but I can definitely see it. You want to definitely make sure you test it. And again, you can talk about turning it on as well as brightening it right here. So just want a quick test. Also, hey, if you like what you see, like what you got today, definitely, please like, subscribe, and share. Let me know your thoughts, okay? Leave a thought down in the comment. And also check out the Hottor's Chronicles Facebook as well as Instagram page, okay? Talk to you later.